friends, this is Janine Pettit, brand ambassador for Go RVing and founder of Girl Camper. I'm at the campground today. A little chilly here, a little brisk. We're heading out for a hike, but when we come back, we're going to have this pot of hearty white bean and kielbasa soup. This is one of my favorite things to put together on a chilly day because it comes together beautifully and you can eat this for days and days and days, and it only gets better when all those flavors marry together. So I'm starting with a mirepoix, celery, carrot, onion. I've sauteed it in our saucepan here, and now I'm gonna add a heaping tablespoon of garlic. I buy it in the jar, pre-chopped. Now I have already browned up the kielbasa here. You don't have to brown the kielbasa. I like to do that because it gives it that extra smoky flavor. So I've got this going here, and it is smelling delicious. I'm going to add 2 beef stocks to this, and that is going to stop the sizzle. So hopefully you can hear me. So two big beef stocks. And this soup is really great because the kielbasa is already cooked. You don't have to worry about the internal temperature. So we're adding the white beans, which is a nice fiber, a kale, so we've got some veg going there. And I like to throw in these canned potatoes because I want it to be super, super hearty. So I've got that stock going in there, and I'm gonna throw the beans in next. These are I like the little mini white beans right there. Now, some people at this stage like to hit this with the immersion blender. Just bring it down a little bit, like not all the way through, but hit that with the immersion blender. I kind of like it chunky, so I'm not doing that. And now I'm gonna add in that already cooked browned. I browned off that kielbasa, and it looks so delicious and it smells so good. And then a little extra I do. I love these canned potatoes. I mean, if these don't scream camping, my mother and father constantly used those when we were kids camping. They're already ready to go. They're already cooked, which makes this dish come together in a half an hour if you wanted to eat this right away. I put them in whole, but they're really good sliced too. So we're bringing that up to a boil. And when we get it up there, we're gonna drop in the kale. And I'm generous with the kale. I got the whole thing going here. Gonna drop that in there. And then I'm gonna fish out my spoon that fell in and just let that bring it down. We're gonna just let this come up to a boil, and then we're gonna let that simmer. And when that is done simmering, we're gonna hit it with a little heavy cream, set it on simmer, and when you come back on your hike, you're gonna have one of the most hearty and delicious campground one-pot wonders that you ever tasted. Hi friends, our little white bean kielbasa soup has been simmering away here, and I gotta tell you, I know people say this all the time, I wish you could smell it. It is so hearty and so delicious, and we're just gonna eat it for lunch any minute now. So that kielbasa, the white bean, the kale, and I threw a little extra potato in there. This is a recipe you're gonna wanna make over and over again.